through use of physical models, diagrams, and number expressions. 2.1, know the addition facts. Sums to 20, and 2.5 show the meaning of addition. For the first activity, it's called concentration, and you have two different piles of different colors on the piles. For right here, I did question and answer. You're going to pick one from each and flip it over and see, does 5 plus 3 equal 7? And if it does, then you go again. If not, you put them back. And then the next person picks the cards, and you have to try to memorize where the cards are. So if I got 5 plus 3, I went over here. Okay, it's 8. So you have to remember that that's where the 5 plus 3 was. In the second activity, it's called Pass It and Solve It. You're going to have a big beach ball, and it's going to have numbers written on it, 1 through 10. And as you pass it to each person, you grab it. Wherever your thumb lands, you add those two numbers together, and then you keep on passing it. For the third activity, it's how many. You'll have 5 of these little counters, and you'll shake them, and then let them roll. And then you'll see that you have 3 red, and then 2 of the yellow. And then you just keep on doing that, and you come up with as many possibilities with the number 5. And then for the fourth one, it's called Playing with Play-Doh, and you use the Play-Doh to solve the problems. The teacher will give different equations like 3 plus 2, and the students will be able to use the Play-Doh to make different objects like little balls for 3 little balls and then 2 little balls, and then add them together. And then the more advanced students will be able to make numbers out of the Play-Doh and then add them together. And the last game is called Domino Effect. All of the dominoes will be facing down, and you would pick one, and it's the 4 and the 1. So you'll see 4 plus 1 equals 5. You can also flip it to see that 1 plus 4 equals 5. And you'll be recording all of this in your math journals. And the way the students track it is right here. You put your name right there, and then every time you finish an activity, you add a sticker to the activity. And if they have any questions, they'll just ask each other, and the teacher will be able to assess how the student does based on their math journal.